Bani sinsna, sa nuchinsna.
Note that forms meaning my and your are prefixes, while the forms meaning our and his, her, its, their are suffixes. When there is more than one u, hi is part at the end. When words with possessive prefixes and suffixes are used in a noun phrase, they must be preceded by an article just as any other noun. For example, hiatsa natan, my mother goes. Klalam differs from English, with the possessive words takes the place of the article. We do not need to say the my mother goes. In fact, this is ungrammatical in English, but in Klalam the article must be there. Just as with other nouns, words with possessive pronouns can be used as a noun or verb. For example, chachitsin sa natan, I know my mother. Natan ut, are you my mother? The possessive prefixes and suffixes are never stressed. In fluent, connected speech, the schwa is usually dropped by the my and your prefixes. So for example, my mother is pronounced ntan, and your mother is pronounced ntan.
Irene Peterson's na, cha Elwha nusglai imson.
Jacob Sahatin Snatch, Chip Watson.
Tony sinsna, cha Elwha nusglai imson.
Jonathan sinsna, cha Elwha nusglai imson.
Jasmine sinsna nu hiowitsin.
Brianna sinsna.
Intransitive verbs are verbs that have no direct object. They indicate events in themselves. For example, I go, the word is intransitive because you can't go something. The subject in I go is I. Note that in Klalam the verb always comes first. In later sections, we will learn that there are some exceptions to this. The subjects sin, st, are not independent words. The symbol /o in the chart indicates that there is no special subject words for these pronouns. Subjects are all grammatical particles and so are never stressed.
Squanid hi.
Ianingsin.
Esaiutsin.
Uwaitsin.
Iapsin. Qua ut aquasites harmony e Irene.
Ah,
Suach such equins.
Chanias chi sucked in size, e ina, e amit.
Huntington. Huntington.
Sites in your hotting. Basic speech acts. We use language to make statements in all of the previous examples, but we also use language for other things. The various uses of language we call speech acts. A number of different speech acts are indicated in Klalam by putting a little unstressed word after the verb. Two of the most common uses of any language are to tell someone what to do and to ask someone a question that can be answered with a yes or no. Every language has special parts in its grammar for these uses. These speech acts are particularly easy in Klalam.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. Quat, hi. Quat, hi.
Intransitive verbs are action verbs, but they do not have an object receiving the action. Here are some intransitive verbs.
Eat. Eat. Wanting it. Wanting it. Nutcon. Nutcon. Wheat tongue. Wheat tongue.
Quine. Quine.
Stung. 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 Flout. Flout. Eat sun. Eat sun.
Shall we? Shall we?
Home. Home.
For a more polite command, add qui. This makes it more like a suggestion than a command.
Estortnit uch.
Quanenitsin.
Stunqui.
Estortnit quacha.
Hiat qui. Hiat qui hi. Quet qui. Quet qui hi.
Esquaninx. Quantenst. Ichlenqui hi.
Hotnitsin.
Sentences giving commands are also called imperative sentence. In English commands, there is an understood subject, as in go or take it. The same is true for clallam. Just use the verb without a subject.
For a strong, demanding command, add chi. This form is considered almost rude by some elders. For a more polite command, add qui. This makes it more like a suggestion than a command. It can be translated various ways in English. The models use should, but you could also use ought to or why don't you.
Note that when you're talking to more than one person, you should use hi, and the chi or qui comes before it.
Note that the speech act particles are never stressed.
Hiat chi. Hiat chi hi. Quet chi. Quet chi hi.
No, Estortnit uch. Et e stretchy. Stretchy. Stop. Not quite. Oh.
The past tense is used in Klallam when the speaker wants to make sure that the listener knows that the action happened before now.
The rule for forming the past tense in Klallam is very easy. Put ya after the verb.
I went.
Ja, jatzen. Ja, jatzen.
We went.
Ja, jatzt. Ja, jetzt.
You went.
Ja, jatz. Ja, jatz.
You all went.
Ja, zwei. Ja, zwei.
He, she, or it went.
Ja. Ja.
I took it.
Quartiatzen.
We took it.
Quartiatzt. Quartiest.
You took it.
Quartiat.
You all took it.
Zwei.
He, she, or it took it.
Quartia.
In English, the past tense is required if the action happened in the past, and you must use the future tense if the action is to be in the future. In Klallam, these tenses are not required. They are used only if the speaker wants to make sure the listener does not misunderstand. So, for example, the sentence hiatsen could mean I go, or I went, or I will go, depending on the context. If the context does not make it clear, then use the past or future tense.
The past tense is formed the same way in both transitive and intransitive verbs.
Note that the ya precedes the subject except when the subject is the ending.
Note ya and the future maker sa introduced in the next section are grammatical particles and so are never stressed. Future tense. The future tense is used in Klallam when the speaker wants the listener to know that he or she is sure that the action is going to happen. The rule for forming the future tense in Klallam is almost as easy as the past tense. Put sa after the verb. But when the subject is tsin, I, you must drop the C. So instead of saying tsatsin, you get tsaten.
An ordinary, rapid, sweet satin often sounds like san with the vowels stretched out a little.
The future tense is formed the same way in both transitive and intransitive verbs.
Note that the tsa precedes the subject except when the subject is the s ending.
Note that the future tense in English can be expressed in several ways. I'll go, I am going to go, or I'm going to go. There is only one future tense in Klallam.
Remember that, just as for the past tense, the future sa is not required. It is used only when the speaker wants to make it absolutely clear that the event will happen in the future.
It's important to mention that for some speakers it is not possible to use sa with you. That is, for some speakers, hiat, sa is not good Klallam usage. The reason given is that I can't tell you what you're going to do in the future.
I'm gonna go.
Ja, dann. Ja, dann.
We're gonna go.
Ja, tast. Ja, tast.
You're going to go.
Ja, tat. Ja, tat.
You're all gonna go.
Ja, tat. Hi. Ja, tat. Hi.
He, she, or it's gonna go.
Ja, ta. Ja, ta.
Okay, I'm gonna take it.
Quat tan. Quat tan.
We're going to take it.
Quat tast. Quat tast.
You're gonna take it.
Quat tat. Quat tat.
You're all going to take it.
Quat tat. Hi. Quat tat. Hi.
He, she, or it's going to take it.
Quat ta. Quat ta.
Stratsatzen. Stratsatsu.
Strut.
Step. Cold. Cold. Saat.
Saat.
Saat. Chat.
Chat.
Chat. Mist.
Mist.
Mist. Hatched.
Hatched.
Hatched. Steep.
Hachit.
Steep. Cleat.
Cleats.
Cleat. Squat.
To quote.
Squat. Quit.
Queets.
Quit. Quit.
Quit.
Quit.
Let's translate a few short sentences using the intransitive verbs in the command video with a future past tense. Eat, sa. Eat, sleep. Sa, future tense. Notice that there isn't any pronoun for intransitive because it's implied for he, she, they, or it. So in English it would be he, she, they, or it. Let's just say he will sleep. Now let's put that in past tense. Eat, ya. Eat, sleep. Ya, past tense. He slept. Shall we tsat? Shall we grow? Tsat, future tense. You. You will grow. Huiten tsatsin or huiten tsaten. Huiten, jump. Tsat, future tense. Sin. I will jump. Now you try this. Eatsen yat hai. Eatsen, get dressed. Ya, is that a future or past tense? Past tense. Hi, you folks. So in English that would be you folks get dressed. Now try this one. Clout satst. Clout, run away. Sa, is that our future or past tense? Future tense. St, we will run away. Now let's try using our new transitive verbs along with future and past tense. Queets, ya. Queet, hold it. S would be our he, she, they, it suffix. So let's just say she, ya, past tense. Queets, ya. She held it. Now let's try that in a future tense. Queet, sa. Queet, hold it. S, he, she, they, it suffix. And we're saying she in this one. Sa, future tense. Queet, sa. She will hold it. Tschet, yat, hi. Tschet, wake it. Yat, past tense. Hi, you folks. You folks woke it. Sa'it satst. Sa'it, lift it. Sa, future tense. St, we will lift it. Now your turn. Chit yat. Chit yat. You knew it. Last one. Quinangit yatsin. Quinangit yatsin. I helped it.
Aku klitia milchagui nanstia ngaka here Elwha. With Cain Khaneklislanes. Here, Quatji Stan. He was going to dry the fish, and so once the Stan started, you need Lislanes out. You yet das smokehouse, yeah. So, Hannings, Hnat, Lislanes. What you took just one adequate. It's to say Tassada. Early in the morning, so Tassio, not schatch. You chits Jagui was sans quitting. So Hanats Klisanis, yeah, just I saw it's at the smokehouse. So quails Klisanis, yeah, which so chai say, yeah. Once yet that Chajayakton is smites the sang at. So why square Chajayakton you? He threw the elk on the snow. So quite said quist. Hangan tiati ngakai di Einstein hewe ate sucias yu mano nganta ngakai yu auna isings so achangas kwe Einstein kwe. Het is spanningstuk with geen grens. Zo ganningstuk net zo. Ja, het zijn quick want. So, yes, it's setting a English with geen grens. So nothing is a way time where Chahint why it's a session. So no nothing is way with pain. Oh. Niets quick chayek no sangat.
Oh
Hátningst a Queen's Chlam Nus Aimuts and Queati.
Cactus. Cactus. Chun. Chun. Nutrition. Nutrition.
Ai. Chesses.
Society.
Cleus.
Now. Sayu.
Riots.
Uweidsen.
Stoltner Such.
Dr. Moyetson.
What's gonna work?
Teamwork.
What's gonna work?
Teamwork.
What's gonna work?
Teamwork.
Yeah!
Quetchi Nutzisung.
Alder and Na.
Shun Sin. Sayu.
Quananet.
Chut Sayu.
Sh'etchung.
Quanetnget.
Aksa. Cactus.
Now.
What's quanting it?
Sayu.
Usnung.
Chut. Mountain.
Stung.
Stung.
Chut Sayu.
Chut's a cockamoose.
Quanetnget. Sayu Tsuk Cockamoose.
Sayu.
Shutjung.
Quananet.
Sayu Tsuk Cockamoose.
Chut's a cockamoose.
Ask H.
Cactus. Cactus. Chun. Chun. Nutrition. Nutrition.
Ai. Chesses.
Society.
Cleus.
Now.
Sayu.
Sayu. Sayu.
Chut Sayu. Chut Sayu. Sayu Tsuk Cockamoose. Sayu Tsuk Cockamoose. Shutjung. Shutjung.
Chut's a cockamoose. Chut's a cockamoose.
Now. Now.
Quananet. Quananet.
Quanetnget. Quanetnget.
Stung. Stung.
Ask H. Ask H.
Quananet. Quannet.
Quanegnet. Quanegnet.
Eat it. Eat it.
Etched. Etched.
Ethan. Ethan.
Ashlyn. Ashlyn.
Stung. Stung.
Shut tongue. Shut tongue.
Ahmed. Ahmed.
Amit. Amit.
Sweatwas. Sweatwas.
Schweika. Schweika. Ka'ani. Ka'ani. Stane. Stane.
Pishpsh. Pishpsh.
Skacha. Skacha.
Shutton sa sweetwas. Shutton sa swika. Shutton sa atni. Shutton sa slani. Shutton sa pish. Shutton sa skaha.
Quanegnet sa Sweatwas. Quanegnet sa Swika. Quanegnet sa Atni. Quanegnet sa Slani. Quanegnet sa Pishpsh. Quanegnet sa Skaha.
That's what it was. Starts wake up. Start Auntie. Start Slani. Start Peach Peach. Start
Ahmed sa sweetwas. Ahmed sa swika. Ahmed sa atni. Ahmed sa slani. Ahmed sa pish. Ahmed sa skaha.
F1 says late yours. F1 says swika. F1 says Ani. F1 says Lani. F1 says Peach. F1 says Gaha.
Shutton sa pish.
Quanegnet sa Sweatwas.
F1 says Gaha.
Start Slani.
Ahmed sa atni. Shutton sa skaha.
Quanegnet sa Swika.
Ahmed sa sweetwas.
Start Auntie.
F1 says Peach.
Ahmed sa slani.
Quanegnet sa Atni.
F1 says late yours.
Starts wake up.
I just watch you, I do. Hartningst a Queen's Lam, Nus Aimuts and Queatio